So this is USDCAD analysis for Wednesday, the 9th of May. Now, let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we did see the breakout of this 129 level. We did see price progression up towards our 29.44. Brief consolidation breakdown in prices. Then we had this sharp move up towards that 130 level. Didn't quite get towards 130. Did see the sell side momentum come into the market briefly before we got to the 130. We traded as high as the 129.97. So we've been about 3 pips or so of the 130 level, from which we have seen the sell side momentum come into the market for a test of 29.44. Held, came pretty close for another retest, and again we've come pretty close for another retest. So we do appear to be going to a bit of a consolidation here, in around that 29.44. If we do break down and hold the 29.44, we'll be looking for a price move up towards that 130 level. Successful break from which we'll be looking for moves beyond the 130. The move beyond the 130 we'll be looking for, if we do hold support at 29.44 and do break above the 130, will be a move up towards that 131, our previous swing high here in the market in 2018, from which you could see that sell side momentum come into the market. But again, if we did break from there and if we did see sufficient volatility, which I wouldn't think would be today actually, so we'll leave it at 131 because it's about 150 pips. 150 pips all the way up towards that 131. So I would expect that to be far end of the range, even on a particular volatile day. And if we do see a breakdown in prices from this 129.44, we'll be looking for moves down towards that 129. Previous area, which previously acted as resistance, potentially acting as support for a bullish bounce from that 129. But if we do break from there, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, or a move down towards that 128.39, previously where we found support on quite a few occasions more recently, around that 128.39, for a bullish bounce here on the US dollar CAD. Now what we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart. So we have a look here at the daily chart. So let's just have a look. So on this daily chart, you have a move down towards our 25.30. Strong move here to the upside. Brief consolidation above the 28.39 before having a breakout beyond the 129. So we had a consolidation here in around the 28.39. We've had a breakout of the 129 level in towards our 400 period moving average and our 130. Had a brief pull. We can see we've had a pullback here on the daily candle. So there is a possibility of seeing some sell side momentum come into the market from after having that rejection from that 130 before seeing prices turn around, go on to test that 130 and retest our most recent swing highs here in the US dollar CAD on the daily chart in around that 131. And with that said, our absolutely US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.